UNESCO recognition to his vocational skill training outfits is a tribute to his commitment and dedication. Married to Srimati Yasmin Wahab, the couple is blessed with 4 sons, Jabir, Javed, Ajmal, Afdal. I wish Honorable Member Sri Abdul Wahab a long and happy life and extend greetings to his friends and family. Srimati Sumitra Balmik, a member of this August House since June 2022, is a grassroots politician rising from municipal councillor to parliamentarian, all through her dedication to welfare of downtrodden. Her 4 decades of political journey is marked with impressive accomplishments. Her very presence in this house is an acknowledgement of Bharat's commitment to honor Nari Shakti. She is blessed with 2 daughters, Manisha and Mani, and son Rupesh. I wish her a long and healthy life and extend greetings to her family, friends, and well-wishers. Sri Ilham Ram Karim, 3-time member of Kerala Legislative Assembly and former minister in Kerala government, is a member of this August House since July 2000.
साउलो क्लास चिलिमा के निधन के बारे में सूचित करना है। डॉक्टर साउलो क्लास चिलिमा एक अर्थशास्त्री थे जिन्होंने 2 बार मलावी के उपराष्ट्रपति पद को सुशोभित किया। ये सभा मलावी की सरकार और वहाँ की जनता के प्रति गहरी संवेदना व्यक्त करती है। माननीय सदस्यगण, 23 जून का दिन आतंकवाद के इतिहास में सबसे काले दिन के रूप में याद किया जाएगा। इस दिन टोरंटो और वैंकूवर से उड़ान भरने वाले एयर इंडिया के 2 विमानों को आतंकवादियों द्वारा निशाना बनाया गया था। आयरलैंड में AI-182 कनिष्क में विस्फोटक के कारण 329 निर्दोष लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी, जबकि जापान में ऐसी एक और बड़ी तबाही टल गई, लेकिन इसमें भी 2 अन्य लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई। ये घटनाएं इस बात का स्मरण कराती है कि विश्व को आतंकवाद और हिंसक चरमपंथ के प्रति शून्य सहिष्णुता क्यों बरतनी चाहिए। इसे किसी प्रकार से क्षमा नहीं किया जा सकता, न ही न्यायोचित ठहराया जा सकता। अब ये सभा दिवंगत आत्माओं की स्मृति में कुछ देर मौन रहेगी।
Sector banks. Married to Srimati Venum Baka Sunanda Reddy. The couple are blessed with daughter V. Neha. Honorable members, on behalf of this house, I wish him and his family long, healthy, happy life. Obituary references. Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of His Excellency Dr. Syed Ibrahim Raisi, President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, His Excellency Dr. Hussein Amir Abdullahian, Foreign Minister of Islamic Republic of Iran, His Excellency Alhaj Ali Hassan Mavinai, former President of the United Republic of Tanzania, and His Excellency Dr. Solos Klaus.
All right, these are of course the live visuals that we're getting for you in terms of two aspects of the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha. But what you're essentially looking at your screens right now are protests that are being conducted outside the parliament. In fact, you can see this is by the India Bloc. You're also seeing, of course, Rahul Gandhi in those images. Along with him, you do see Raghav Chadha as well as far as these protests are concerned. These are live visuals that we're getting for you as far as proceedings are concerned. I understand my colleague Himanshu has filed a report. Let's take a look.